In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a list in Microsoft Lists. If you want to reuse the structure of a list you've already built, Microsoft Lists makes that process quick and straightforward. Duplicating a list is especially helpful when you want to keep the same columns, layout, and overall setup without having to recreate everything from scratch. This can save time and help keep your lists consistent across different projects or teams. To get started, open Microsoft Lists in your browser. Once you're on the main Lists homepage, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the option to create a new list. Go ahead and click Create New. This is where Microsoft Lists gives you different ways to build a list, whether from scratch, from a template, or by using an existing one. From the creation options, find the section labeled Import From, and then choose Existing List. This option is what allows you to copy the structure of a list you've already made. It's a useful choice when you want a duplicate that follows the same format as another list. Next, Microsoft Lists will ask you to select an existing list. At this stage, simply click the list you want to duplicate. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you have several lists with similar names. The list you select here will serve as the source for your new duplicated version. After selecting the list, click Next to move forward. This takes you to the setup screen for your new list, where you can decide how it will be labeled. Now type in the title for the new duplicated list. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify, especially if you plan to use both the original and the duplicate side by side. A clear title can help avoid confusion later and make your workspace easier to manage. Once the new title is entered, click Create. Microsoft Lists will then generate your new list based on the existing one you selected. In most cases, this gives you a duplicate of the list structure, which is ideal when you want to start fresh using the same framework. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a list in Microsoft Lists. This is a simple but powerful way to speed up list creation and keep your work organized. If you're setting up repeatable workflows or standard tracking systems, this method can be a real time saver.